Did you know you can request a review fine in NSW? Here is how. If you think one of the following cases are yours, you can request a review of a fine, overdue fine, penalty, or reminder notice. Case number 1, you believe a mistake has been made. Case number 2, there were special circumstances that led to the offence. The review may lead to the fine continuing to stand, you being let off with a caution, or the fine being cancelled. In order to request a review of a fine, you need to prepare for the following. Number 1, proof of your identity, such as your address, date of birth, or driver license number. Number 2, your fine notice number. Number 3, the date of the offence. Number 4, any supporting evidence. You can find examples of supporting evidence in the Review Assist Guide. The Review Assist Guide link will be in the pinned comment below. Once you have them in ready, you can select the Request a Review button. The Request a Review button link will be in the pinned comment below. And then follow the prompts to request a review. When your request is received, a hold will be put on the fine. You'll be notified once a final decision is made. Once you've submitted your request, you can return to the portal to track its progress. If the review is unsuccessful, you can apply to go to court for a fine. You can't request a review and apply to go to court at the same time, as this will cancel the review. Your matter will then only be heard in court. The application to go to court for a fine link will be in the pinned comment below. Sending all the good vibes and wishing you the best of luck.